My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey. Then true talk and say, whoever findeth a wife, findeth good thing and obtaineth favor from God. E no mean say if you like me, you get 10 wives, 20 wives, 30 wives. Each and every one of them have their grace. Each and every one of them get the one where they take good past each other. Now Ipa eye first blow. When they talk and say who no observe signs go later see wonders. Una go think say na joke. Omo no be joke o. Una remember in 2023 when Ipa did when they do election wey im win, where they start dey do campaign here and there. Mama Regina Daniel practically came to the place where they dey do campaign with her pot, come with all the kitchen utensils, start dey cook food, dey share for people. All that one is part of the strategy. Apart from that, they went to all the polling units at the 98 ward, abi na 94 ward wey Ipa say dem get for Delta North. E say dem get 90 out of all the 98 ward, Regina Daniel was still standing with him side by side. You see Ipa, you don see Regina Daniel. You see Ipa, you don see Mama Regina. You see Mama Regina, you don see the three of them. Then they stand gidigba for each other. Wey be say your mind go first dey say, even if you wan change your mind, say you no wan vote again for Ipa, by the time wey you remember say Regina Daniel dey involve and dem bin don give you food chop at an hour wey be say hunger wan finish you, Regina Daniel and im mama dey came through, because they say the soft side of a man, whether man or woman, if you wan get them na through their stomach. All those good acts, all those attitude wey dem do during that time, all the strategies wey dem put in place, na im really help Ipa during that election. But this time around, no any strategy. Sotey dem the women wey bin dey hail Regina Daniel when they brought the idea of the Anioma state, because according to wetin we hear, say the Anioma state was being brought about, like who bring am out na Regina Daniel. She was the brain behind Anioma state. Na she bring the suggestion say, what if they create Anioma state, make these people stand out, make these people dem, make dem stand out, make dem dey on their own, and make them become the governor. Then if they become the governor, she will now become their first lady, of which they tried. No be now na dem start o. They tried their best. Regina Daniel was standing. Ned Nwoko was using her light, according to the mother. He was using her light, trying all his possible best to make sure say he shall do everything humanly possible to get themselves into that position. But on a long run, based on say God already see and say, anyhow wey they go do am, Regina Daniel no go enjoy am. She no go later enjoy am. Ra. Na im make the thing happen at the hour wey e happen. Even though they talk and say it's not even about the Regina Daniel right now, concerning the Anioma state matter, na because of say the people say they no want. Say they no want, make they call them, make them carry them go keep for where they no know. They no want, make they come they call them north, south, east. They no want, make they come they call them Igbo, waiting. This one, that one, say they no want. Then they won't dey there. They won't deal with the Delta people. They don't want any Anioma state again. But before, they practically agreed that they want Anioma state, of which they were happy, they were praising, because Regina Daniel get one strategy. As small as she is, she get one point where she dey take the capture human being, which is the act of giving. Even without celebrating anything, she do once in a while buy things, go dey visit all these elderly ones, all these older ones. They go dey give them. The ones wey be say they no old, where they get one or two things to do with their life, but they no get wetin they wan do. She go buy appliances, like learning appliances. Some she buy dryer, she buy sewing machine, she buy plenty things for the farmers. She buy some kind things wey be say they need for farm, buy wheelbarrow, buy things, go support them, even without doing anything, without celebrating anything, without coming for election, without campaign, without anything. She will just do it on her own. Anytime wey be say e just dey her mind say she wan do. So like this, they like her. One, because they see her like small girl like this wey grow for our eye. Now she can't get this kind sense wey she fit dey with us like this. Bang bang bang, she no leave us. Then with this kind brain, this kind sense wey she get, so wey she no dey entitled say na chop I chop, make I chop first, wey she dey remember to extend hand. Omo, make we stand with this girl o. E get why? Because her type of person, if she later can't get enough, she go do pass the one wey she dey do so. Of which they start dey hail them, they start dey appreciate them, they start dey happy for them. Omo, when the thing best, when she come out, come talk say, in Ned Woko's house, I am nobody, but in my house, I am a queen. Na there wahala start. People see the thing say, na joke, na play, na play. Omo, no be play oh. They even the thing say na joke. Na until when campaign come, when Ipa come oh, e no come with Regina Daniel. Na there they know to say, no, something is wrong somewhere. Some of the women, they start to ask questions. Where is Regina Daniel? Ipa no fit talk say, Regina Daniel, they know dey again or something. He was still looking for something to cover up. Regina go come. And that is why he deliberately refused to carry Leila to that place. When he come finally carry Leila go there, which is the last time wey dem go, e never even reach 2 months wey he carry Leila go. The complaint and the Anioma women were complaining was that Leila no dey hear their language. Wey be the major reason wey make dem tell Ipa say make him try him best, make him marry somebody from their side. Make him marry somebody from their side so that e go dey easy to communicate. E go dey easy to do some kind backyard conversation freely without thinking that you just say this person go here, this person go here. You understand that kind of thing? But for where Leila, say even English sef, na grace of God she take hear am because of where she dey come from. Morocco, they don't dey speak English. Na Arabic country wey we say na their language they mostly dey speak. But because she marry Ipa, she even dey try her best to understand English. So she never even understand English finish. She be na Igbo, Delta Igbo, na she won't come here. Abi which of the Igbo na she won't come here. Where we say English, she never even finish here am. So we make Ipa that time, if they go all those their local settings, all those places where we say say Regina Daniel go really fit in. Na Regina dey carry. Even during election, na side by side. You know fit ever see Ipa with any other person. But this time around, fear no even allow am fit carry any of your wives. Not even the Leila carry and go campaign. Na him and him brother. We make some of the women immediately they came. Maybe they came deliberately to come and know if Regina Daniel is there as usual, just the way it happened for 2023. They came, maybe as they did not see her, now they changed their mind. Allegedly, I really do not know. Maybe they part of the reason we make no really get am clear as suppose. Because if they come, they go back. If they come, they go back. If they come one by one, if they no see wetin they find, they go back. Now Ipa and him brother Michael Nwoko, na then carry the matter for head. None of his wife came out for him. We make people come dey talk and say, they say marry now. They say Ipa they cry, say make Regina Daniel give her in glory back. Make she give her in glory back. The question is she the one that has taken your glory, or you are the one that is using her glory before now? Because when Mama Regina Daniel talk and say, Ipa they use her daughter glory. So many people they shout, Madam, enter house, which glory? Abi na una come chop money. Madam, make una clear road, make una no talk that thing again. For comment section, where you just go, now wetin you dey hear be that? Which glory? We know Ipa, we know Senator Ned before the coming of Regina Daniel. Who is she to come and say, she made him, she made him who he is? Who is she? Nobody say Ipa was poor. Nobody say they don't know Ipa. But you see this fame This coming to know him on the media space na Regina Daniel na im cause am. So tey at some point this same Ipa wey dey cry now come give online in-laws, wey dey cry here and there now dey come dey prove a point to online in-laws, to the media. Once upon a time e even talk am say e no want social media again, make dem close social media. Shebi if to say dem close social media, na who im go come dey complain to? Because na dis same social media now na im don come post all the video evidence wey im get, wey make people dey go dey talk say e be like say dis people una too, una don chop Ipa money, una no do wetin im tell una to do. Una sing Chinedu Ganzeso finish, Chinedu comot for the world, una go do wetin dey una mind. Wey make people come dey talk am say toh Ipa no be to gather people the beginning, as you enter dey follow you o. You dey there see am to the end say they really supported you. Na that evidence na we wan see, where they were counting those people, all the whole 94 ward. They were counting them, say this one is for Ipa, this one is for Ifeanyi Okowa. That one go make sense. No be the one wey una dey sing before the election. Na that one be the real evidence. Now wey im dey come social media, dey come dey post all the evidence. And if social media no dey, how im for do? And that time e wan cripple the social media because im dey see am like the fame don dey climb Regina Daniel head. The thing don dey do her, and e be like say dem don dey quarrel small that time, allegedly. So e dey find wetin, e know say na her strength be that, so e wan come close the strength, so that if im do her wetin e wan do her finish, nothing go happen. But God no let am work. The same thing wey Desmond Elliot do, wey na this same social media na im still cry come say Surulere they no gree o, they don I'm renouncing, I'm rejecting, I'm refusing this one that one. The same social media wey you say you no wan see, make dem no do social media again, na the same dem you na come dey cry to. Last everywhere first blur. Even Ipa never believe say small tachere Regina Daniel go fit carry am from 10 to 0. E no believe am. E say at that particular day people dey come, they come, they go dey ask where is Regina, some of them. So tey e reach the one wey they even see food. Na that one now take note say if people don like you for this life, when you don carry your grace come finish, pray to be loved by all. Even though you no go, everybody no fit love you finish, but anywhere where you appear, pray for grace of getting genuine people that will love you, even if they no show am. Make dem sha know say anytime wey your name is mentioned, make e be say dem confirm am say you are a good person. E get why o. So tey dey say Ipa go campaign where people dey buy rice, dey buy things, dey go dey give. Some people no gree collect. Majority of the people they no gree collect. The ones wey dem get good heart, wey dem know talk say whether they eat that food, they no eat that food, or e no go comot anything for their body, they refuse to collect. They say lie o, say they never chop. They no wan chop the one wey be say at the end of the day, if they no come do the needful, God go ask them. For you to know say no be anywhere belle face again o. Na anywhere the heart accept. They say no, they accepted before for the Anioma creation, but the Anioma state was because of Regina Daniel, and she's no longer there. Who will now come and be their first lady? Person wey no understand English? Abi na the one wey dey obodo Igbo na go come be their first lady? Abi because they already know say from the very beginning she's the creation. Now she started the whole thing with him. Now she's not there. Another person want to come and enjoy her glory. Coupled with the fact say they say they no even want. Ipa say they must want, so that it go be part of your achievement, make you feel rule them. Then they don't check and say no. So everything happen for a reason. Because if to say this thing no happen, they no go know say Ipa fit even arrest old woman wey no align with am, go put her for kirikiri, make dem come dey carry food, they come dey give her. Before you know, if you even silence the person, allegedly, according to wetin they say in they do on a normal day, because na for Regina Daniel turn now no talk say Ipa you too do. Imagine pikin say e no marry again, you dey arrest im family, dey arrest im mother. If no be internet wey stand gbagbagbang say no, nothing like that o. Wey make me I dey talk am say omo, this generation wey dey so, if you know say you get scandal, your hand no clean, make you stay away from public activities. Stay away from public, anything wey you know say na public na im go vote you in, make you stay away from am o. Because na that time you go know talk say you be don shit for church once upon a time wey be say na pastor wife na im pack am, because who shit no dey forget, who shit don forget but who pack am no dey forget. Na that time you go know say when you shit for church na pastor wife pack am. So for that reason you no fit see kingdom of God. Na im be this one. So now Leila e don dey obvious. Ipana dey talk say make dem come tell Regina Daniel make he give back im glory, say Leila and others they no be am at all at all, whereas he caused it. He did not bring them in. Dey feel say na Regina Daniel, and as they say dem want Regina Daniel, e get as e go even be if you still carry the Leila. Some people go see pity, go say even though she no understand, make we just manage her like that. But this one na lie. Now e dey blame Leila, dey blame everybody wey dey around am, say they are not with him. They are not with him. Regina Daniel has taken his glory. I dey laugh. I laugh in Spanish. May God come help am o. May God help am. We dey wait with all the drama put together. We dey wait to see the outcome. Make we see the outcome, how im go drag this matter reach, because no be who carry case go court na im dey win case last last. Because the kind country wey we dey now like this, e don turn to something else entirely. My people, na the matter be this. Una dey really see Leila Jeremy fault in all of this? Abi na Ipa na im no strategize well, or na God na im even catch am on top of Regina Daniel head? What do you guys think? Because Leila cannot just force herself into the people of Anioma. Now who they want, na they go for. Abi no be so? Though na my own opinion be that. Make una come, make we interact with the comment section. I give the video a massive thumbs up. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm going to bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.